Hi guys, okay, welcome to Focus Android, and in this video I will show you how to pair headphone Soundcore Q20i to Android phone. So this is the Soundcore Q20i, and first of all here we need to turn on this headphone. You can see a button here, it's the power button to turn on this headphone. We can press and hold until the light is on, and now you can see this is the blue light, and it show that your headphone is not connected to some device. So to connect to this Android phone, we need to turn on the Bluetooth. You can slide on the menu bar in app and make sure the Bluetooth is on, and you can press in here. The Soundcore Q20i is already detect here, and we just need to press to pairing, and it will be so like this, and you just need to press pair. Now we can check, and the Soundcore Q20i is already paired with the Android phone.